Well, hello and welcome back to another vlog here today. I am in the center courtyard of the old Pac-Man play fort, if you guys remember that. But today I am here at Six Flags Over Georgia yet again to do one thing and one thing only. I am here as a single rider to ride all of the coasters here at the park that have single rider queues that have just opened back up at the park since the first time since 2019. We're gonna have a blast here today. It's gonna be fun and I'm gonna take you all along with me. With that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. Yes sir, yes ma'am, Twisted Cyclone up first. Let's do it! So you see everybody going the regular queue, single queue, just straight ahead right here. Epic! Just walk right in, let's do it. And check this out, look, walking up the stairs, single rider queue. Here, back, our first ride, Twisted Cyclone, walking straight in, straight on. And just like that, just got off a Twisted Cyclone, literally just got to the park, walked in, and that was it. Amazing ride. It's kind of cold, so still good though. Longest line in the park today over any coaster. It's the funnel cakes right there. That's crazy. That is quite crazy. But we're heading up right now to go to Georgia Scorcher. We're knocking out some of the ones that have the longest queues traditionally here in the park because they're at the front of the park. So we're knocking out these. Typically, at this point, we really don't need the single riders, but I'm just showing you all where they are and just how easy it is to walk on to any coaster. Next area for single rider queue is just right here. Let's walk on down. So I just walked in right there, and then now we're right here. Nobody here. On Scorcher in the back row, nobody was here, so it was a station wait. You guys saw me just walk right in. Let's do it. Woo! Woo! Just like that, walked right onto Scorcher back row right there. Let's head to the Beast Goliath right now. Let's see how long that wait is. Nonetheless, we got the single rider queue. It's gonna be a good day as it is so far. Good vibes only. So now we are walking on the way to Goliath. As you can see, it's going up right there, but walking to Goliath as our next one, our third coaster in literally 15 minutes here at the park. What a great day so far. Going to Gotham City next to ride Mindbender. That's the next one after the Beast Goliath. Let's go get it. Also, instead of walking around there, just cut straight through the patio area of DJs right here, and it's a little shortcut here. Let's go get in the queue, see where the single rider queue line is, and get in it and get on Goliath. Walking to Goliath, I'd love to see how many people are playing the Midway games right here. So that's really good. They revamped them, refreshed them, and people are doing them. Flash Pass line is the same line for the single rider queue. Going up straight on, walking in. Everybody's waiting right there. But we're walking straight on. Let's do it. And just like that, walking on to Goliath right here. We're next, station wait. great ride on Goliath right there. As you can see, going up again on its next cycle. They are moving that thing like crazy. Incredible. And instead of going there, cutting back through again, time to do the Riddler Mindbender, new for 2021, the remodel of Mindbender that is to the Riddler Mindbender. You can see Daredevil Dive going up, but we're not riding that here today. Next, the next single rider queue that is available is to Mindbender. Everyone knows how intense this hill is during summertime. It gets like 107 degrees here, and it's like crazy hot here during the summertime. But you got Joker Chaos Coaster there. You have Daredevil Dive going up. Yes, time to head into the all-new for 2020 revamp of Gotham City right here to get on the Riddler Mindbender. If this were 1978, we'd be entering Mindbender right here. So here we go, Riddler Mindbender right here. Where, oh where is the single rider queue? We'll find out in just a moment. So we're walking up right here. So you stick to the right-hand side, single rider queue line right here, straight on through, bypass everything and get right onto the coaster. And here we go. Walking straight on, totally epic.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Who got this around? Let's start.
Mindbender's third train right there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Good ride on Mindbender, as you can see right there. So pretty good. We have one more coaster that has a single rider queue that just opened up. Do you guys know what it is? Let me know right now in the comment section down below. Don't wait till the end. Let me know right now, pause it, and let me know if you know which coaster is the last one that we're gonna ride here for the day. And then once you guess, resume the video. So headed out of Gotham City, that quick, that easy. Well, you've been at the park now for about an hour and 10 minutes here, but we're having a good day here so far. We have one more coaster to go. And that will wrap up our day here at Six Flags Over Georgia, which was a tremendous day. Very cold, 54 degrees, but man, really good. Coasters run a little slow because of the cold weather, but nonetheless, good day, great coasters. So you only have 3 different selections. We already did Goliath right there. So it's either Blue Hawk, Superman, or Scream Machine. Which one do y'all think it is? So of course we didn't ride all of the coasters here, but I mean there are 3 only left that are headed this way. So once again, Blue Hawk, Scream Machine, or Superman headed this way of the park. So this is where we're headed. So we're cutting through right here, leaving from where Country Cousins Lemonade is, and we're going around. We're going up near Carousel Hill, and yes, we're going on our way to the Metropolis section of the park. If you guessed that, then congratulations. The train going by in the background, and still nothing going on here at the moment where the old Splash Waterfalls was located. Hopefully soon we get something there. Hopefully we get an announcement at least. A real announcement, not a fake one that I made up for you guys. If you have not checked out the April Fool's video, it'll be listed right there in the iCard and the link in the description down below. Check it out. Oh, there it is. That is up next. Our last coaster with a single rider queue is Superman. Super excited about this, to say so the least. This is one of the coasters that I actually rarely ride here at the park. So let's get on it. So what we need to see here at Superman is, where is the single rider queue entrance? Let's go figure it out. Actually, it is right here to our right. So we're gonna stick to the right, as you can see there. Single rider queue / the flash pass line, and get on the coaster. Once again, we don't really need to do the single rider queue, but hey, it's been working. But also, it's quite empty. We could literally just walk on going in the regular queue, but hey, showing you all where it's located and also how quick, and sometimes quicker, I'm getting onto these coasters. So hey, very quiet. I like it. But let's get on Superman. Oh, once again, the first coaster in the world to introduce the pretzel loop element. Also the second ever flying coaster in the world, and the first ever flying coaster in North America, right here. Also, it's built to the terrain, so that's why it's so awesome compared to the other Superman clones at other Six Flags parks. Still nice though, but I love this coaster. And once again, rarely ride it, but we are getting on it today. The single rider queue seems a lot longer. Still no one here in the single rider queue walking through or the regular one. We're literally just walking on, period. I mean, this is crazy. You all know how long and backed up this coaster can get, but hey, we're getting on it right now. Just about to get to the station, ride a little Superman, do a little flying here to wrap up our coaster adventure with all the single rider queues. There it goes right there. And we're about to go now. So we're going up Superman right here. Here at Six Flags Over Georgia in the back row. Yeah, it was a walk on here for me to just go walk onto the back row. So here we are, enjoying a beautiful day here. You can see Goliath right there, Hurricane Harbor to my right. But here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Pretzel loop element! Ah! I forgot how intense that is! Oh my goodness! Oh. Woo! We're flying! Another inline inversion! Superman! And there you had it. Just walked on, just conquered Superman right there. What a beautiful, beautiful coaster that thing is. I need to ride that more often. That was really fun. And a little bit of a Scream Machine right there. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today here at Six Flags Over Georgia, where I conquered all of the roller coasters here that have single rider queues that just opened back up at Six Flags Over Georgia. Had a really amazing time here, had a blast, have Scream Machine over here along with Blue Hawk, had a great time. So now you all know what it's like to ride these coasters, and also where the single rider queues are here at the park. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new for tons and tons of more adventures and videos just like this where I had a blast. You all saw my reaction to my face. But thank you guys so much for watching. To my next video, my next adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.